That's one thing, it's always a health as a lady growing up to level crossing the barracks going down. You see the bridge behind you there, viewers, you can use it as a... This one I like, you're just watching the singer change from different colour. Watch. One 58813 departs Lincoln for Doncaster. This train's from Peterborough to Doncaster. It went by this station, Lincoln. Oh, visit Sleaford and there it goes. Have we tried those? Well, I got rid of the bloody Order of the Phoenix one before. Which was, I didn't even like that movie because it was just so horrible.